You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. It's originally from French, so we need to look at the French pronunciation and how it's usually pronounced in English. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. Let's break it down. It's pronounced in French as Cedric. Now, it's also a name invented by a Scottish guy, so Cedric, it's usually how it's pronounced in English, although some do pronounce it also as Cedric, but it's more commonly pronounced as Cedric, from French Cedric, meaning the king of the battle, Cedric. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.